Hello everyone, I'm Digital and in this video I will show how to make a simple SR Latch circuit with two transistors. SR comes from set and reset, so basically you have two inputs, one is set and one is reset, and this is actually how computers remembers and that's their memory. So if I set state on, it always stays on, and if I reset it, it's off. But that's of course unless you unplug the power and plug it again, it forgets. So what you need is a breadboard, of course, and here I've connected the two power lines together, two NPN transistors. I'll be using this one, and here's the diagram for it. It's an NPN transistors. Like I said, on the left side is the emitter, on the right side is the collector, in the middle is the base. Then we need two diodes, two push buttons, two 100 ohm resistors, two 1 k ohm resistors, and some jumper wires. I'll be using normal jumpers, but you can use anything. And of course, some way to power this. And I'll be using, as you can see here, just 5 volts from a power supply. So let's get started. Let me zoom so that you can see better, like that. First thing you need to do is place one transistor with the flat side facing you, and after 2 rows, the second one, again with the flat side facing you. Then we need to connect both emitters to ground, which is on the left. Then, using the 100 ohm resistors, connect the collector to 5 volts. After that, we'll be using the diodes with the positive side going to the resistor and the negative going to ground or the emitter, which is already connected to ground. Then we will use the 1000 ohm resistors and connect the base of the first transistor to the collector of the second one, and again the base of the second transistor to the collector of the first one, like that. And make sure they are not short circuit. Then I'll be placing the two buttons with one side of them facing to the base and the second one. Then we need to connect one side to the base and the second one side of the button goes to the base of the transistor, which will connect to ground, like that. You can connect it directly to ground, but I will be just making it more compact. I will do this. Come on. And that's basically it. You should have the two buttons connected, one side to ground, one side to the base of the transistor. The two transistors, the left side or the emitter is connected to ground. The right side, the collector is connected to 5 volts. The diodes between these two, and the base of the both transistors are connected to the collector of the other transistor. So now, if you plug this thing in, it should work. I'll be using 5 volts and something's wrong. Oh, I connected it backwards. Be careful not to do that because transistors are easily damaged. And you can see the one LED light up, and if we touch the button, it goes off and on. That was for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please like it, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please consider subscribing. Bye.